All right, we're going to go online and model some compatible numbers. I'm on a site called NumBlocks, and I'm using something called Cuisenary rods, which are great for modeling all kinds of math, but we're going to use it today to model compatibles. Now, we want to figure out ways, each one of these rods has a value. So each color is worth a certain value, up to 10. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what are the ways to equal 10? All right, so let's jump into this and we'll look. Let's start with the smallest one first. So to see, we want to line them up next to each other to see, okay, what is equal to 10? What's compatible to it? What goes nicely with it to make a 10? So with 1, let's look over here and guess. You could either count and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9, which one's worth 9? The blue one. So you can see that they are compatible. And it's important to see that when you're using models, models can show you some important ideas in math, and you can see the order doesn't matter. You could do it, flip it around. You could call this, what's 10 minus 1? Well, that would be 9. What's 9 plus 1? 10. And so it shows you some big ideas in math. So let's just kind of make a cool looking picture here. What would be compatible to 8? Well, we look over here. Oh, that's pretty easy to see. So the red one is worth 2. There's 8. So let's work backwards. And this is a fun spot to play around with. 7. Oh, are you seeing any patterns here? Kind of, that's why modeling with math is very important, so you can see different patterns. There's 7 and 3, 2 and 8, 9 and 1, all equal 10. And what else we got over here? Let's see. The dark green one, 6. What would go with that one? Purple. And so I'm kind of going just down 9, 8, 7, 7, 6. The yellow one is 5. My favorite one is the yellow one. 5 and 5. Oh, wait a minute. Do you see that 5 and 5 equal 10? Hey, you can also do fractions with these. What's half of 10? Oh, look, it's 5 because you cut 10 in half. So you're doing some fractions there for free. No extra charge for that. Now let's just keep going and show you why you've got them all right now. Well, watch this. If we go from 5 to the 4, bam. Well, look, isn't that the one we've done right here? Yes, but let's just continue to make our picture look good because it's kind of a cool picture. So there's 4 and 6, 4 and 6. The next one would be 3, 3 and what? 3 and 7. But if you look carefully, it's right there. 3 and 7. We're just going the reverse order. 3 and 7. So these are just a visual way to play around with compatible numbers. So I'm just going to finish. You're going to see I'm just going to use the same ones. And that might help you to see kind of some of the ideas with compatible numbers. And we need the 9. So that's kind of a cool little picture, a little staircase. You should try it, build your own staircase with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Watch, we go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And they all equal 10. So those are your compatibles. Now, I like to just kind of put these aside because you don't really need to know those because you know them already. Oops. You can flip these around too. You know them already. Get these to the side. So practice these, memorize these, understand these, and you'll know these automatically. That's how fast math works. When you know this stuff really well, you save time in the long run. So you can flip these around and do all that stuff. All right, give it a try.